Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the awaiting scripts error in your FiveM server. It's one of the most common issues players face when trying to connect to or load into a server. Let's get right into it. The awaiting scripts message usually means your FiveM client is waiting for certain files or resources to load, but they're either missing, corrupted, or taking too long to respond. This can happen due to a bad internet connection, outdated scripts on the server, or missing dependencies. First, let's start with the basic fixes. Close FiveM completely, then relaunch it as administrator. This simple step can help if the issue is caused by limited access permissions or a frozen resource loading process. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause the client to time out while downloading scripts from the server. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection for better stability. If that doesn't work, it's time to clear your FiveM cache. Here's how. Open your FiveM application data folder. Then go to the data directory and delete the folders named cache, server cache, and server cache. Don't worry, these will be recreated automatically the next time you launch FiveM. This often fixes most resource and script loading issues instantly down. If you're a server owner, the problem might be on the server side. Make sure all your scripts and resources are properly started in your server.cfg file. Missing or misconfigured resource names can cause players to get stuck on awaiting scripts. Double-check that every dependency is correctly installed and that there are no syntax errors. In your startup order also, make sure your server's artifacts and resources are up to date. You can download the latest server artifacts from the official FiveM website and replace your existing files. After updating, restart your server and check the console for any script-related errors or warnings. Finally, ensure that the client-side scripts are not too large or slow to load. Compress textures, optimize code, and remove unnecessary resources to improve loading times and prevent the awaiting scripts timeout. Once you've done all this, restart both your server and FiveM, then try connecting again. In most cases, the issue should be resolved and you'll be able to join your favorite server smoothly. And that's how you fix the awaiting scripts error in FiveM. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials and FiveM troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.